Hi, I'm Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where I give you a meal planning tip or teach you about a feature of Plan to Eat in 2 minutes or less. Today, I'd like to show you how you can track your Weight Watchers points or any other point-based diet within Plan to Eat. So I'm going to show you here in the Plan to Eat app, but it works the exact same way on the website as well. So I'm going to come in here. I have this fruity overnight oats recipe that I want to be able to put on my planner and see the Weight Watchers points for. And if I scroll down to the nutrition facts, there are nutrition facts populated here, but it doesn't actually include a score, such as a Weight Watchers score for this recipe. So all I need to do is tap on the 3-dot menu to edit this recipe. And I can come back down to the nutrition facts, and you can see below we have the option for nutrition score as well as the estimated cost per serving. The nutrition score is where you would add in something like a Weight Watchers score for this recipe. So I could come in here and add a score of 10, save that, and when I scroll back down, you can see that there is a nutrition score at the bottom there of 10. And now I can add this recipe to my planner. We will add it for today, and I can go back to my planner, and you can see there I have the nutrition score option already checked for recipes on my planner, and you can see that it shows there under the recipe title the nutrition score of 10. If you have any questions about this, please email us at help@planteat.com. We'd be happy to help you, and I will see you again in another video soon.